Selenium class 20, handling elements part 1. Okay. See, first, prerequisites to create test cases in Selenium. Prerequisites. Prerequisites to create test cases. To create test cases in Selenium. Okay, Selenium WebDriver. Selenium IDE test case syntax different. Selenium WebDriver. Just a minute. Prerequisites to create test cases in Selenium. First one, element locators. Element locators. Purpose of element locators to recognize or identify elements. To recognize or identify elements. Next, WebDriver methods. WebDriver methods are commands to perform operations on elements. To perform operations on elements. Next, programming features. Okay, we are using Java, but we can use any other language, supported language. Selenium supports 6 programming languages to write programs. Programming features to enhance test cases. Means to insert verification points, synchronization, parameterization if required, adding comments, etc. Next, up to now we discussed these 3 concepts: element locators, WebDriver methods, and programming features. Next, one more concept also there, that is either JUnit or TestNG. JUnit, that we will discuss. TestNG. Annotations to group test cases, Next, test batch execution, batch testing, executing series of tests. Test batch execution and generating reports. Okay. See, these are the prerequisites for creating Selenium WebDriver test cases. Are you following, Sanjida? What are the prerequisites for creating Selenium WebDriver test cases?
Element locator, WebDriver method, and programming feature.
Next, one more. Either JUnit or TestNG, annotations.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, see, first already we discussed, just a brief idea. First one, element locators. Sanjida, after answering the question, immediately put mute. Some
Okay, sir.
noise
Okay, sorry.
coming from your side. Tell me, Smita, Selenium supports 8 element locators. What are they? Okay, you absent now. You tell me, Gurnath Natarajan, Selenium WebDriver supports 8 element locators. What are they? Niladri?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yeah, they are by name, class
by is
name,
not
tag.
element locator.
Sorry, sir. ID, sir.
ID.
ID name, class name, tag name, link
Ah,
test, partial link test,
hmm.
uh, CSS selector,
Ah,
and expert.
okay, okay. Say ID, name, class name, tag name, HTML tag. Next, link text. Next, partial link text, partial link text. Next, CSS selector. Next, AX path. See, we already discussed it. Next, just a minute. Element locators. Next, web elements. Web elements. List out the web elements. Preeti, actually browser is not element as per Selenium, but in UFT browser also object, page also object. Here using driver object we can handle browser, and page. Next, list out the elements, web elements. You continue, Sridevi. List out the web elements.
Link,
Link,
edit
powerful
box,
object in the web. Link,
edit box,
edit box.
drop down, list box,
Just a
combo box,
minute. Drop down box, list box. Next,
combo box,
yes, combo box. Combo box.
radio button, checkbox,
Radio. First button, push button. Button, radio button. Next,
checkbox,
checkbox, checkbox.
frame,
Next, one more we forgot. Text area, text area. Next, web table, or you can say HTML table, HTML table. Next,
Image, image,
frame. Pardon?
image,
Yes, image also. Image, general image. Next, image button. Next, image link. Three types of image in web. Image link. See, etc. See, these are the web elements that we have to handle. Next, WebDriver methods. WebDriver.
Sir,
Ah,
so browser and page are not considered as element in Selenium, right?
yes.
Okay, sir.
Browser and page some different. Using driver object, we can handle browser and page.
Okay, sir. But
Here no element locators required for recognizing browser and page na.
okay, sir.
Using driver object, we can perform operations directly. But in UFT, formerly QTP, for browser and page also properties required. Suppose if you want to recognize any page, for example, page of a title colon equal to Google. Title is property, Google is value. But in Selenium, no element locators required. Getting this point?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, cool. UFT is some different, but remaining objects common except browser and page. Next, WebDriver methods. Yesterday only we discussed. See first methods. Methods on browser. Methods on browser. Put mute. Sridevi, can you tell me methods on browsers? What are the
Yes, sir.
methods?
Get,
Get method.
get method,
Ah,
get
get
title,
title.
get URL,
See here, browser and page combined.
uh, get current URL,
Just a minute. Get current URL. Current URL.
navigate to,
Just a minute. Next, get window title, window handle. Get window handle. See, if you want to handle multiple browsers, this window handle important. In in the topic, I will explain. First, you just focus on how to get window title, how to use window title. That I will explain in handling multiple browsers topic. Okay, get window title. Next, close focused browser.
quit,
Next, quit all browsers that opened by Selenium WebDriver during execution. See, these are the important browser methods. Next, one more category in this browser, browser navigation methods. Just a minute. A, B, browser navigation. Navigation methods. Navigate to, navigate to. Next, navigate back, navigate back. Next, navigate forward, navigate dot forward. Next, navigate refresh, navigate refresh. Next, maximize method also there. That I will explain. See, by default in say how Selenium WebDriver launches browsers, Preeti, in minimize position na.
Yes, sir.
If you want to maximize it, you can maximize. After maximize, you can minimize. Say next, methods on elements. Methods on elements. Yesterday only we discussed. Smita, list out methods on elements.
Find element,
Find element. Find element. Next, find elements method also there.
yeah.
We didn't discuss yesterday. I think tomorrow we'll discuss. Find elements. Next, continue.
Clear,
Okay, send keys. Next, clear.
click,
Click. Just a minute. Click. Continue.
is enabled,
Yes. Is enabled. E capital. Is enabled. Next, is displayed. Next,
is selected,
is selected. Next,
get attribute,
yes, get text, get attribute. Get text. Next, get attribute, etc. Get attribute. Next, some other methods. Others. For example, window maximize. Window means browser window in this scenario. Manage dot window dot maximize. Next, explicitly wait. Say I'm writing partial syntax. Explicitly wait, etc. See, these are the important WebDriver methods for our test automation. Okay, next, fourth one. One, two, three. Third one, Java. Sunil, we already discussed Java fundamentals and oops. List out the topics.
Sir.
Sequence required. Say we can segregate Java programming features into two categories. One is Java fundamentals.
Sir.
Another is oops. Tell me Java fundamentals. Suppose comments not mandatory but best practice. Sunil, can you hear me? Not responding.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Continue. List out the Java fundamentals that we discussed already.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Java modifiers.
Modifiers. Before modifiers, data types.
Java program structures.
Okay, program structure is not a concept.
Okay,
Environment
Java
system is not concept.
Variables and modifiers.
Just
variables and modifiers.
continue. Sunil only. Data
Yes, sir.
types.
Java modifiers.
Modifiers. Here
Variables and
access and
operators.
non-access modifiers. Next.
Variables and operators.
Variables. Variables.
And operators.
Don't combine them. Both are different topics. See, in our training program, we discussed variables and operators in single class.
Yes.
But both are
Yes,
different.
Yes, sir. And conditional statements.
Due to time constraint, we discussed variables and operators in a single class, but both are different. Variables.
Yes.
Next.
Operators.
Next.
Conditional statements.
Yes, conditional statements. Conditional.
Loops.
Just a minute. Statements. Next. Loop statements.
String
Loop
handling.
statements. Next. String handling. String handling. Next. Arrays.
Yes.
Next.
Input and output.
Input and output operations. Okay.
And finally, exception handlings.
Input and output operations.
Exception handling.
Just a minute. File handling. Next, you forgot an important topic, important concept. What is that one? Just a minute. Methods.
User defined methods.
We have two types of methods. First, built-in.
And user defined.
Built-in methods. Next, user defined methods. User defined methods. Next,
exception handling.
Exception handling. Exception handling. Next, come to another category, Java OOPS concepts. OOPS, object-oriented programming system.
Yeah, inheritance.
Here we discussed four concepts. Inheritance.
Polymorphism. Abstraction.
Okay. Polymorphism. Abstraction. Next. Abstraction.
Encapsulation.
Yes, and encapsulation. These four are the fundamentals of OOPS. Encapsulation. Okay. See, element locators, WebDriver methods, Java fundamentals and OOPS. Next, come to mainstream. Handle browser. Handling browser. First, handling elements in Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver. First, handling browser. Handling browser. See, we already discussed manual operations. First, I will list out the manual operations, then Selenium WebDriver example. Launch browser. Next, navigate to specified URL. Next, return current URL. Return current URL. Next, return page title. Return page title. Just a minute. Return page title. Next, return window handle. Return window handle. Next, close focused browser. Close focused browser. Just a minute. Close focused browser. Next, close all browsers that opened by Selenium WebDriver during execution. Close all browsers that opened by WebDriver during execution. See, these are the general operations. Next, navigation operations. Navigate to another URL. Navigate to another URL. Next, navigate back to previous URL. Next, navigate forward. Navigate forward. Next, refresh the browser. Next, maximize the browser window. Next, just an assignment to you, no direct method. Minimize the browser. Minimize the browser window. This is assignment. WebDriver examples. WebDriver examples. Launch Eclipse IDE. First, create driver object Gurnath Natarajan. Create driver object. Firefox browser driver object in Selenium WebDriver interface. You continue.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
WebDriver
WebDriver
yes, sir,
driver
is equals to new
equals to new
Firefox driver
Firefox driver semicolon.
semicolon, sir.
Next, import WebDriver libraries. Next, Firefox library. Okay. Next, first one, get method
Driver
means driver
dot get
dot get. Just a minute. Suppose launch Google homepage. Just a minute. Launch Google home page. This is first one. Next, return current URL. Return current URL. See, return, whenever you want to return any value, you need to take variable for storing the value. And first identify the data type, then take the variable. Observe Sanjida, here what is the data type? URL?
String, sir.
String type. So take string, for example, URL equal to driver dot get current URL semicolon. If you want to display the value, display URL. Next, return page title. Suppose string title equal to driver dot get title. If you want to display, you can display title. Next, return window handle. String handle equal to driver dot get handle, get window handle, display handle. Next, driver dot close, driver dot close. Run the program. See launching. Observe Gurnath. It returned URL na.
Yes, sir. It
Next,
returns.
next page title. Next last one,
Yes, sir.
window handle. See where
Yes,
we
sir.
use
What?
window handle. Forget about that.
Okay, sir.
That we will discuss later. Just
Okay,
how
sir. Thank
to
you, sir.
get window title.
Okay, sir.
Next,
Thanks.
suppose if you want to close all browsers, instead of suppose you are working with multiple browsers, want to close all browsers at a time. At a time means one by one, continuously. Use quit. See, these are the browser methods, operations on browser.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Next, navigation methods. Navigation methods. Preeti, guide me. Suppose first I am launching google.com. Next, navigate to yahoo.com. Navigate
So
to Yahoo and return URL for observation.
driver dot
Driver dot
navigate
navigate dot to option.
to
Provide the URL,
yeah.
destination URL. Suppose yahoo.com. Just run the program. Next, navigating to Yahoo Home. Okay, return this URL. Oh, what is the problem? Unreachable browser.
Sir, I think you're missing the www dot. I don't know.
Pardon?
After www dot, I think is missing there.
No, it's okay. Say, these are public web applications na Google, Yahoo. They use dynamic URLs, depends on country or location. Suppose,
Okay, got it.
that's why it's problem. Now it is working fine. Suppose if it is Google, google.com, that is global server, google.co.in, India server, google.co.uk, UK server, next PK, Pakistan server, CA, Canada server, etc. Here also, here they are providing dot in dot yahoo.com. Observe Rahman, yahoo.com. This is domain. HTTPS is protocol. What is this in?
I forgot.
I think Preeti can answer it. Preeti, what is this in?
India?
Just a minute. Preeti.
Yeah,
What
it is
this
India.
in? Yahoo.com.
In is India.
Yahoo.com is domain. What is in? Subdomain. Okay na? Subdomain. Just a minute. Observe Gurnath.
Sir.
Observe. A news web portal. News portal. Suppose Telugu version. Observe Gurnath. Greatandhra.com. This is domain.
Yes, sir.
What is this Telugu?
Language, sir.
Language, okay. Subdomain.
Subdomain, okay, sir.
It is subdomain.
Subdomain,
Next,
okay, sir.
just a minute. Just a minute. Domain, subdomain. www.gcrit.com/build3. Build3. Observe Sridevi. What is this build3?
Sir, it is page or form.
Not page. Page means extension is required na.
Yeah.
Observe just a minute. Click this link, create an account link. Observe. Here it is showing create account.php na.
Yes, sir.
What is this build3? It is folder. gcrit.com is domain. Next /build3. Build3 is folder. Okay. Next, return this title. String. Title equal to driver dot. Okay. Return URL.
Sir, can I ask a question? When you may have a www.google.co.in, so the co.in is a subdomain?
Yes, subdomain.
Okay, all right, I got it. Thank you.
Driver.get URL. Next, navigate to OK. Next, navigate back. Preeti, driver dot navigate dot back,
Navigate
plain method.
back.
Next, you just capture the URL. See, first time we declared as string. Whenever if you want to use that string multiple times, you no need to declare again, just that string name enough. Next, driver dot navigate forward. Driver dot navigate forward. Just a minute, display this one. URL. Next,
Sir,
ah,
on line 14th also, do we need to use the system?
line 14th. Okay, if you
Yeah.
want to yes, navigate to, yes.
Sir, on line 17th, we put the URL in the codes. So we shouldn't put the codes over there, right?
No, codes mistake, just
Okay.
URL. Why? It is variable type na. It is keyword. Don't use double quotes. Okay, after execution, if you don't identify that one, after execution, I will correct it. Say, URL is keyword. Okay, string type. For messages only, we use double quotes. URL is not message. Okay. Next, any other? Forward. Okay. Maximize. Driver dot window. Driver dot manage. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Okay. Run the program. See Yahoo, again Google, again Yahoo, maximized the browser. Observe Neeladri, browser maximized na. Last step.
Yes, sir.
See, we launched Google browser. First navigate to Yahoo. Next navigate back to Google. Next forward to Yahoo. See, these are
Sir,
the
is there any way, suppose the first you log go navigate to www.yahoo.com. The second one is sorry, first one is Google. Second one in Yahoo, right? So is there any way the Google is opening another one window and Yahoo in opening another window?
That time you have to handle multiple browsers na.
Yes, sir.
That is
So
different
is there
case. We didn't discuss multiple browsers.
but is there is a way, right, sir?
We are we will discuss how to handle multiple browsers, but in this topic only single browser.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You restrict to single browser only. Say here we will launch this one pages or URLs one by one only. You are asking multiple browsers. That is different concept. Okay na? Confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sir, can we, what is the purpose of explicitly wait? Can we use that one here?
We didn't discuss that explicit wait now. In synchronization chapter, I will explain.
Okay, sir.
I didn't use now explicit wait. Just I mentioned that one, but in this example, I didn't use. In synchronization chapter, I will use and explain the purpose.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Just a minute. Say, observe Sanjida. Here, one small assignment to all. What is the assignment? Already I told.
Minimize the browser.
Here, no direct method or option. Use minimize. Minimize the browser window. Why they didn't provide minimize method, maximize method available, but no minimize method? Why? By default, minimize position na. But you can minimize. Several ways available. You try to solve that problem. Next. Okay na, Gurnath Natarajan, handling browser.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. See, handle edit box. Handle edit box. First, list out the manual operations and then WebDriver example. Smita, list out the manual operations on edit box.
Enter a value.
See, primary operation, enter a value.
Clear the value.
Yes, clear. Suppose value already there, we want to clear the value, you can clear. Clear the value. Next, return the value. Suppose in one edit box value already there, we want to capture the value and compare with expected. Yes, you can return the value. Return the value. Next.
Check display.
Yes, check displayed status. Means existence. Displayed status. Next, check enabled status. Enabled status. See, these are the important operations on edit box. Example.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, can we perform a copy paste on edit box?
Who is asking?
Sanjida.
Copy paste. What is copy paste? From where you copy?
Sir, suppose I copy from somewhere else and I want to paste it. Like Google username.
What is the source for? What is the source for the data?
Data source like my notepad or sticky pad.
That is different. That we have to handle the file. File object required. Next, reading.
Or
required.
Can we paste from the clipboard?
Yes. We can copy and paste.
Yes.
We can copy and paste, but that is not comes under this WebDriver methods. You can copy from anywhere. Not only say in several ways we can provide input. What are the several ways? First one is keyboard input, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Next, you can read data, dynamic submission of test data. using IVA. In IVA operations we discussed na, using scanner object you can read data. That is also keyboard input. Next you can read from files, external files. You read that file and take the value into variable. You pass the variable. What is the problem?
Sir, that is not paste. Like right click and paste.
Pardon?
My concern was, can we directly do Control V or
no,
right click?
No, that
No?
type of
Okay.
operations not available in WebDriver.
Okay, sir, no problem.
See, manual operations different. For every manual operation, we cannot provide WebDriver solutions as it is. Copy and paste. See, in manual, you just open the file, uh, copy the value and paste. But here, you need to read the value, open the file and read the value, take the value into variable, you pass the variable. Formalities are there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See. Example. Suppose Gmail home. Gmail home. Just a minute. Here edit box is there. Enter edit box. Enter a value into this edit box. Gurnath, enter a value. See, we are launching Gmail homepage. Next, enter a value into this edit box.
The value, sir, you can by, like, we can give by, for example, driver.find element, open bracket by L.
Launch Firebug, or you can use page inspector. Take the mouse pointer and show the edit box. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Put HTML. See here ID available.
Yes, sir. ID is
Next,
equals to
name available. You try with ID. If ID is not working, then you can go for name or other locators, XPath, CSS selector, etc.
Yes,
see ID. ID value is email.
Yes, sir.
ID value is email.
Yes, sir.
Driver dot
find element
by
open
dot
by dot ID, sir.
ID of ID value
email, sir.
Email
dot
dot send send keys.
Yes, sir.
Suppose India
yes,
1 2 3.
Yes, sir.
Close double quotes. Run. Entering value. Say. Enter a value into edit box. Edit box. Next, return the value. Smita, return the value. Tell me the syntax. Responding slowly. You continue, Niladri. Return the value.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, cool.
Talking on mute.
Driver.find element.
Return the value. Returning value na, you need to store that value na.
Okay.
String.
String. Suppose any name. Suppose email. equal to
driver dot
driver dot
find element
of by dot
id email dot get attribute
get text attribute is different. Get text semicolon.
Okay.
Yesterday we didn't discuss this get text. Okay. SYSO control space. Just a minute. Email. Okay. Next, clear the value. Clear the value. See, same. You take this statement dot clear. Next, check enabled status. Enabled status. What is the type of, what is the data type, Sunil? Enabled status, data type.
Is enabled.
Is enabled, okay. It returns some value na. What is the
Boolean.
data type?
Boolean.
Boolean.
Sir. Yeah.
True or false, like Boolean. Boolean, suppose A equal to dot is enabled. Next, display status. I am using same variable. Anyhow, variables take latest values. Otherwise, you can use different variable, another variable. Is displayed. See, we have 4 outputs. Say first output India 1 2 3. Next clear. Next true. Next true. 3 outputs. Run the program. It is not returning. Just a minute. Immediately clearing na.
Correct.
Run. Why still it is not returning?
Sir, it gonna be get attribute value, embedded comma value.
Pardon?
I think for the return the value is gonna be get attribute and of value.
Get attribute of value. Attribute not required. Just a minute. It is not taking. Just a minute. First entering the value, then returning the value. Entering the value, returning the value.
Sir,
Do
we need to use thread sleep before that
just a minute.
line number 17?
Just a minute. We'll try.
Sure.
India not capturing.
Sir, web element name and ID of value can be same.
Web element name, that is different. Here you can use that one. Just a minute. Run. Not capturing.
Sir, can you check? Can you check? Like my
Just
one.
a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Driver dot manage dot window maximize. We'll try. Not capturing. Actually, correct syntax. Why it is not capturing? Abzar Rahman, why it is not capturing?
Maybe synchronization troubles or maybe.
Earlier we used thread dot sleep na. Why it is
Sir,
not?
can you try, sir, get attribute of value?
Get attribute
Please.
of value. Actually, that
Yes.
is not correct one. Just a minute.
So the thread sleep can we use before 17 line? So once maximize and then it will take some time and then it can capture the
Just
value.
a minute. Just a minute. Actually, it is not correct. Neeladri will try.
This will be okay, I think, sir.
I not entering any data. Find element. Unreachable browser. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a restart. See, WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Just import WebDriver Firefox driver. Next, driver.get. Next, go Gmail homepage. Oh, it is asking just account. Okay. Next, driver dot find element by dot id of id value email dot send keys India 123. Just run the program, run this partial code. See entering. Next, capture this one. See string email equal to driver dot find element. Just a minute, you can copy this one. Find element dot get text.
Here, can I say something?
Just a minute. Wait. Not capture. Tell me, Sanjida.
What you were trying to capture, email or user ID? India one, you were trying to capture India 123.
Yes.
If it is India 123, then our we need to spy that. We need to get the located user ID. That is, I think, username or user ID, not email.
Sir, can you please try get attribute of value, please? One more
No,
time.
get attribute of value. We already tried.
Sir, I worked. That's why I told you. I work in my workplace. That's why I told you.
Get
Just to
attribute.
use get attributes, sir. Don't put any value in it.
Huh?
No, put value, sir. Put value.
Just a minute. See, earlier it worked. Some problem is there. Just a minute. What is that value? Suppose.
Sir, did you notice
Just
that
a
the
minute.
type is
Just a minute. Where is the value? Run. India 123 entered, but not capturing. Observe. Tell me, Aarti.
sir, you know you have give the name string email, and when you go in the fire path over there in the website, they have a ID is equal to email and the name equal to email, E capital. If you see, notice that. So maybe that's why he's getting confused. I'm not sure. Check it. Yeah. See over here on ID is a E is a capital, right? And the name also is a capital.
Then what is the problem? What is the problem? Just
and the type is smaller e. So maybe the string name what we are giving is getting confused. I don't know.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Not capturing. Observe Preeti. Suppose thread dot sleep. Actually, I tried it. It executed in my another mission, but why it is not Thinking this time I don't know. Just a minute. After entering the value, not capturing any value. Not capturing.
Sir,
just a minute. I will.
Before thread sleep, can we maximize first and then the thread sleep? I think.
Just a minute. Just a minute. You try to use another locator. Another locator. For example, fire path. This is X path. X path. Run. I'm removing this thread also. Just enter value using XPath locator. Identify the object using XPath locator. Run. Still not getting. Abdullah Rahman, what is the problem?
So you can enter your email by using other methods such as web element and email, and then directly you can print. Hopefully it will work.
Pardon? Web element?
Web element, then variable.
That is another syntax. Just a minute.
Then directly print out, it will work. Hopefully.
Just a minute. Semicolon. Next. Just import. Next. Send keys okay. Print directly. ABCD dot get text. Run. Still not printing. Okay, this I will show later. Some problem is there, but earlier it worked.
I just try in my machine. It is working fine with get attribute dot of value.
You try with get text.
Okay, just give me 1 second, sir.
Some problem in my machine, I think. Syntax correct.
Because I tell you, sir, in my workplace, I have to work with get.
You try this one. You try that one.
Yes, sir. 1 second.
not capturing. Okay, this I will explain later. Remaining working is enabled, true is displayed to, and clearing the value also. Is it working, Niladri?
Sir, I just running. One sec. No, sir, it is working only with get attribute.
Okay, I will try that one. You leave that get returning the value, remaining working. What are the remaining things? Send keys, next is enabled, is displayed, clear also working. Only this capturing means returning the value not working. I will check. Actually, it worked earlier. Why it is not working? I will check. Next.
Just like the get text, right? In the bracket, we are not mentioning any value. So
get
for
text is plain
get
method.
attribute, yes.
Get text is plain method, no values.
Okay, but for the get attribute, we have to give some value over there.
Get attribute, we have to give the attribute type or value or something. But get text is plain method.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay, handle text area. Handle. Okay, you just pending this topic. Get text. Remaining operations working. Send case is enabled, is displayed and clear. Handle text area. Say text area. Capture text area. Next error message. Capture text area. Next capture error message. Example. Just a minute. First launch Google homepage. Observe Sanjida. I want to capture this text area. One account, all of Google. How to capture?
We need to use link text.
Link text. That is not link. That is not link.
A partial text.
See, if it is not link, then how can you use a link text or partial link text?
Oh, okay.
That is plain text. No functionality. Okay. Here in HTML, it is not showing any element locator. You try with XPath. Just a minute. See, driver dot find element by dot XPath dot get text see string to try to display.
This will work, sir.
Run. Observe returning now.
Yes, sir. This will work because this is a text area. This will work on get text.
See, Niladri, earlier I used get text method for edit box text also worked, but some problem is there. I will rectify the problem. Okay. Now we are capturing text area present in the web page. Next, capture. This is capture text area. Written text area. Next, error message. Observe Aarti. Just a minute. First click on this next button, then it is showing error message. Na, you capture this error message.
Okay. So at fire path.
Just a minute.
We have to
Driver dot find element by dot. Just a minute. Take the pointer and show this one. ID is there na. ID value next. Next. This area.
yeah,
This is span. Go to this one. X path. Just a minute. By dot ID of ID value next dot click operation. Next capture. Suppose
string
string error message equal to driver dot find element by dot x path of x path value. Just a minute. Dot
is selected.
Get text.
Get text. Okay.
Written error message.
Error message.
Run the program. Clicking on this area, not capturing anything. Observe Preeti, maximize the window, maximize after click. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize run. Still it is not capturing. X path get text. It is not capturing.
Sir, number 13 line, take this off and put right after the Firefox driver open.
This one, 13 line.
Yes, sir.
Run. Not capturing. Just a minute. Observe, Preeti, now it is capturing now.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Suppose remove this one, maximize, run. Capturing. Observe Sanjida. What is the problem earlier?
It's a synchronizing problem.
Synchronization problem. Just wait. See, I provided 2 seconds. 2000 milliseconds means 2 seconds. Then it is working fine. Run the program once again. Oh, 2 times I ran that one. 2 times. Just a minute. Just refresh. Run. Observe Gurnath working now. Capturing that email, that error message now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please enter your email. Okay. Next. Capture a window pop-up. Handle window pop-up. Pop-up window. Pop-up window. Just a minute. Observe Sunil. Suppose rediff.com. Here click sign in. Okay. Without entering username and password, you try to click this go. Then it will show error na?
Yes, sir.
Error. Observe. See, earlier error different. Gmail error is different. What is Gmail error? In the same web page, it is providing that error message as text area. But here, this is window pop-up na?
Yes, sir.
You try to recognize this one using Firebug. It won't recognize. Just a minute. No. Why? It is not web element. Observe Neeladri. It is not web element na?
Yes, sir.
It is window pop-up. It's not web element. How to handle this pop-up? Just a minute. You take this one. Next, driver dot find element. You go button. Go button. Observe Gurnath, for this go button name locator available na?
Yes, sir.
Name value is,
Yes, sir.
what is the name value?
Proceed.
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 driver dot find element by dot name
Yes, sir.
of proceed
Proceed.
dot
Click.
click operation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Run. See, it is clicking. Please enter a valid username. I want to capture
Yes, sir.
this error message and click on this OK button. Close. After closing, I want to enter some data.
Okay, sir.
See, before closing, if you try to enter data into 8 box, it won't allow. Pop-up is there. First close the pop-up, then enter some data. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Observe. Here, observe Preeti. I'm going to create an alert object. Alert, that is alert. That pop-up is alert. Alert.
Okay.
This is one interface in WebDriver bindings. Alert. You can use ABCD also. Equal to driver dot switch to dot alert semicolon. Here import alert. Here you can use ABCD also, no issue. This is get handle to perform operations on that alert. Get handle to perform operations on that handle by switching to alert. Alert is confirmation or pop-up window. You can use ABCD or alert, anything. This is object. Next, I want to capture that one. String error message equal to alert ABCD dot get text. See, what is the functionality of this statement? Identify, Preeti, functionality of this 15th statement, 15th line.
It will switch to the whatever the alert is pop-up.
Yes, switch to pop-up or alert message. Switch to. After that, you can perform operations. String display error message. Run this partial code. Observe, capturing na Niladri.
Yes, sir.
Next, close that pop-up ABCD dot.
Dismiss.
Close means dismiss.
Yes,
No, not close. Just accept. OK button is there na. Just accept. Otherwise, you can use dismiss. Suppose two buttons are there. One is OK, another is cancel. If you want to click on cancel, then what is the method?
Dismiss, sir.
Dismiss. If you want to click cancel button, use dismiss method. If you want to click OK button, use accept method. Run. Close it now, Gurnath.
Yes, sir.
See, in this scenario, you can use dismiss method also. But OK button is, if you use dismiss method, what will happen, Niladri? For that pop-up, close symbol is there now. Just a minute. Run. Here close option is there now.
Yes, sir.
It will close. It will close if you use dismiss method. But that is not the correct one. Accept is correct one. Why OK button is there? We'll try dismiss. Here send keys method also there, Sanjida. Suppose in that pop-up any text field is there, want to enter value, you can use send keys also.
Okay, sir.
Dismiss it na. Observe Niladri. But here,
yes.
Here correct method is accept. Accept means OK. Dismiss means cancel. Okay. After cancel, after OK, that pop-up will close. Then enter some data into this edit box. Enter some data. Edit box. What is the edit box? ID. Login 1. Okay, you take this ID or name. Name is there. Name login.
Login.
Driver dot get. Driver dot find element. Driver dot find element by dot name dot send keys. India 321. Say first capture the error message, then close the pop-up. After closing the pop-up, enter some value into username edit box. Before closing the error pop-up, we can't enter the value. Run. Observe Gurnath, pop-up closed and data entered into username edit box now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, this
Thank
is
you, sir.
about handling window pop-up or window alert. See, text area, error message, next window pop-up, next button, handling button. Observe Smita, tell me what are the important operations on button.
Click.
Primary operation is click. Click. Next.
Check the status.
Check the displayed status. Just a minute. Display status, enabled status. Okay. Which one is first?
Display.
Display status. First display. Suppose if an object not exist, then no meaning of checking enabled or disabled status na. Enabled status na. Check display status. Next
check
Enable
status. Next, here I'm going to use get attribute method also. Get attribute return name of the object, return name of the element, external name. Next,
type of
return type of the object, return type of the object, etc. Just a minute. Example, see. Just a minute. You take that Google home Gmail homepage. Gmail homepage. In the Gmail homepage, next button is there. You click on that next button. This time try to use XPath. You can use other locators also. Just a minute. For this ID available, name also available. You can use either ID or name. Just try to use XPath, FirePath. This is XPath value. First click operation. Driver dot find element by dot XPath of XPath value dot click method. Next, check is displayed. Observe, Preeti, is displayed status is Boolean type data na? So we have to store that.
We have to store that value into Boolean variable. Otherwise, you can directly display. Suppose I don't want to store, just want to display the value. How to display? I want to display the displayed status and enabled status. I don't want to store and display. See, directly.
System.out.
Driver
find element.
Driver dot find element by dot
XPath.
Just a minute. You can copy this one. Dot is displayed. One more parenthesis, semicolon. Try to run this program. True. Just a minute. Change the operation. First, displayed status. Next, enabled status. Enabled status is enabled. Okay. Next, get attribute type of the object. type of the object. You can directly print. Observe Sunil, type of the object. Get attribute here value is type. How you know this one? Just a minute. Why it is showing this firebug? Just a minute. Some settings changed. Okay. Take this one, next button. Otherwise, bottom. Okay. Take the mouse pointer and show this next button. HTML. Select HTML. Observe Sunil. Here type is there now. What is the type value?
It submits, sir.
Submits. See type. Why it is not? One more parenthesis. Okay. Next. Type. Next. Name of the object. Name of the object. What name of the object is next? External name. See total 5 operations. Run. Observe Niladri. Is displayed true, is enabled true. Type.
Yes, sir.
Submit. That name of the object sign, it is returning an internal name. Suppose external name. Any other attribute? Just a minute. Value.
Value.
We'll try. She's slowly executing. Just a minute, some problem in execution. Run once again. I terminated the execution. Okay. Value. Observe Preeti. This is external name na. Next button.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Remaining Remaining elements we will discuss tomorrow. Before closing the session, just Gurnath, use here we are performing multiple operations now.
Yes, sir.
Every time we are writing complete syntax, identifying the element and performing operation on that element.
Yes, sir.
Instead of that, use second syntax, create web element and perform operations one by one. Create web element and perform operations one by one. Suppose you take take this one. Create web element.
Web element, sir.
Second, you know the second syntax now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Smita, continue. Smita. Smita, did you understand my question? Did you understand my requirement?
So other way of writing.
Yes. See, in the script, observe. Every time we are writing, identify the object and performing operation. See in the second one also, identifying the object and performing enabled status. Next, performing click status. Next, identifying the object, get attribute. Next, identifying the object, get attribute of value. Instead of that, create web element and perform operations one by one. Just optimize the code. Okay, Sanjida, continue, Sanjida.
Yes, sir.
Preeti.
Web element.
Web element. Element
We can
name.
give
any name. Suppose button equal to
driver dot find element.
Find element by dot locator value semicolon. Just create web element once and you can perform operations, multiple operations one by one using this element. Button
Dot.
Just a minute. You can suppose if you want to directly get the status.
System dot.
Just button dot is displayed. Next, button dot is enabled. Next, button dot click. What is the problem? Click for click no display. Button dot click. Next, button dot is attribute. Any spell mistake? Of type.
It should be get attribute, something like that. Right?
Okay, okay. Next, value. Run 4 outputs. Click operation, no output, only click operation. Observe, Gurnath. 4 outputs display na true, true, submit, next.
Yes, sir. Yes, I got it, sir.
See, whenever you want to perform multiple operations on any element, you create web element, you can directly perform operations on that element. Okay, now Sanjita, any queries? I'm going to close the session. Today we discussed 4 elements: handle browser, handle edit box, handle text area, handle window pop-up, next handle button. Next in this one, handle edit box, we discussed 5 operations, 4 operations working properly, but 1 operation that returning value not working, that I will check. See, browser, edit box, text area, window pop-up, next button. Any queries?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Preeti, I am going to close the session. Preeti.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Have a good day.
Okay. Thank you. We will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.